Hi and welcome to this tutorial video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to generate the Debtor Drilldown Report. Now, the Debtor Drilldown reports help you determine which patients still have outstanding balances, which billing codes are generating the most revenue what financial activity took place during that specific month, or how a transaction moved through the system. Or perhaps you're investigating a billing query from a patient or medical aid. And so, instead of manually opening invoices, accounts, or transaction histories one at a time, the drill down report brings all this information together into a single customizable report using filters, groupings, date ranges, report views. You'll be able to drill down the exact information you need. This tutorial video will start on the report screen, and I'm going to be generating my debtor drill down report. So to generate a debtor drill down report, we simply go over to add new, category will be debtor, report type will be the debtor drill down report. Right, and once I click on it, the settings and parameters will open. There's a separate tutorial video that I've linked in the description below on how you go about setting your parameters for this report. Okay, once I've selected my report type and this menu opens, right, if I do have a template that I've saved, I'll click here and it will show me my list of templates. Okay, so maybe if I say 3-month drill down report, you'll see that the time span there is already set for 3 months. Okay, and everything else is already set for me because that is a template. But going over to blank is like an empty slate basically, so I can create my own report, right? And once I have my settings here and I want to save that profile for future use, I'll set my settings and then I'll go over to this drop down, say save and generate, and whatever I decide that it is, it will then populate over here. Okay, so for essence of this video, I'll just let it give me all the information for the debtor drill down. I'll go over to generate report. There's my message telling me the report is generating in the background and that the report has been generated. Now, the report might not always show here, immediately. Okay, and if that happens, we'll simply refresh our page by going over to update results, and once we've updated our results, there our report is. All right, so thank you for joining me in this tutorial video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video.